Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make paper building blocks. We're going to need a few materials for this project, so let's go through our materials checklist. First, we'll be needing construction paper, different colors. This is recycled construction paper from our paper flowers project that I'm using. Next, we'll be needing an inch ruler. If you're using a ruler that has both centimeters and inches, inches will be the ones with the bigger spaces in between the numbers. Next, we'll need tape. Clear tape is fine. And scissors. If you're using the big kind of scissors, please be careful. Ask an adult for help. If you're using the kid scissors, then you should be able to do this on your own. Ready? Step 1. Measure a 1 by 3 inch rectangle on construction paper. Okay, so a helpful tip would be to line up your construction paper so you can measure and cut more than one at the same time. So I think I could just use this edge. Yeah, that's fine. So I will need a 1 by 3 inch rectangle. So first I should measure out the length. So we're always going to start at the 0. I like to line up my 0 with the edge of the paper. All the way to 3. Stop. Now I have to measure 1 inch width. I'm going to go here. Stop. That's about right. Okay, just make sure the bottom is 3 inches. Good. Okay, another helpful tip for folding in the next few steps would be to mark out every inch. So from 0 to 1 would be 1 inch, from 1 to 2 is another inch, and from 2 to 3 is the last. Okay. Step 2. Carefully cut out the rectangle and fold the edges inwards. So I have my big scissors. Please be careful with this step, and I'm going to cut out my rectangle. Make sure the edges are nice and clean. Nothing's all rough. Okay, great. There we go. So now I have 2 rectangles. Now I have to fold the edges inwards. That means on every inch, I'm going to fold there. 1, 2. So you can see I have kind of like a little book like that. Just like that. Let's do a close-up. So this each space is an inch. I'm going to take the edges and I'm going to fold them inwards like this and this. Okay. Step 3. Open the paper and fold into a triangle. Now tape the edges that meet. So I have my paper, I'm going to open them up and I'm going to fold them into triangles. Like that. I'll take my tape. Another helpful tip would be to first put tape on one side and then let the edges meet, just like so. Then with your finger, you can let the tape just roll over the side, like that. Then if you see that they're a little bit open, you could just give it a pinch, and that should seal them. Make sure your edges are nice and crisp, so you have like a little triangle pyramid. Okay. So now I can do it to this one. Fold this way. Put tape on one side, or edge I should say, and tape on, let them meet with your finger. You could just roll the tape over like that, and you're done. Cool. So once you've made a whole bunch of those, you're done. Awesome. Now you can make more blocks and you can experiment on your own. Happy learning!